Welcome to How to Solve. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a Wix website and basically how it works. So a Wix website is a website that is created and hosted on the Wix platform. So a Wix is a cloud-based web development platform that provides users with a simple interface for building websites. It offers a drag and drop website builder, allowing users to create websites without needing to know how to code. So with Wix, you can choose from a wide range of templates and customize them to suit your needs. You can also add and arrange elements like text, images, videos, contact forms, and more. And Wix also provides various features such as e-commerce functionality, blog integration, social media integration, and SEO tools to help optimize your website for search engines. Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.